Hi YouTube, my name is Jasmine and I want to go over international travel and what to know before you go. The first site we're going to start off with is travel.state.gov. This website has lots of information regarding getting your passport, international travel information, getting a US visa, etc. Now we're going to start off with Find International Travel Information. If you do not have a U.S. passport, you would start off on the left-hand side where it says Get a U.S. Passport. But we're going to start off with Find International Travel Information. So once you go there, as you can see, there's more information on this website and lots of links to go to. But we're going to start off the easy way on the right-hand side where it says Learn about your destination. We're going to go there. And let's say your plans are going to Italy. This is just an example. So here it will show Italy's level 2 as an exercise increased caution. It will tell you why if you click on read more, and the next box will show embassy alerts. And this actually started July 26, 2023. Now the quick facts for Italy: your passport must be valid for 6 months, which is recommended, or at least 3 months beyond your planned date of departure. You want to have at least 2 pages required for your entry stamp. Tourist visas are required. That's if you're staying over 90 days. And if not, no visas required if you're under 90 days. They do not need any vaccinations for Italy. And the currency restrictions are 10,000 euros entering and leaving the country. If you scroll down to more, you'll see information regarding the embassies and consulates. Also on the right-hand side, you'll see an Italy map, which will have these little stars that state which is the consulate and the embassy. And if you can go up a little bit more, you'll see assistance for U.S. citizens with the embassy's number and fax number, email address, and website. Down some more. Let's see. Destination description. This is a link to take you elsewhere to find out more information about the country. And if you want to look at more entry, exit, and visa requirements, they are here. And they also request a proof of sufficient funds and a return plane ticket. Safety and security. Good to know. Keep going down. There's a lot to read on this website. Local laws and special circumstances are interesting to know. So let's say you decide to go there and you end up buying counterfeit goods. You may pay a fine and have to give them up if you bring them back to the United States. Health is very important. Here in the United States, our emergency number is 911. In Italy, theirs is 112. And just FYI, Medicare and Medicaid does not apply overseas. Travel and transportation, which is important. Road safety, traffic laws, etc. Fact sheets, and this will bring you to more links outside of this website. The next thing we'll go to is the AAA's website. Your license in the country that you're in, which is the United States, will not actually be valid in a different country. You would need an international driver's permit. And if you're planning on renting a vehicle, this is where you can go to get your international driving permit. Now also, I'm going to go back to the previous link, the state.gov. Each country may have its own site you can go to regarding getting an international driver's permit. So see here in Italy, you can go here to Automobile Club. Okay. And this is the primary option for a driver's license in Italy. And unfortunately, it is in Italian. So what I'm going to do is, there should be an English option. Yeah, we'll try to look up the English option. Let's see. I'm going to go and English. There we go. So now it's been converted to English, at least some of it over here on the right hand side and the bottom. And your secondary option is the AAA website for your international driving permit. Next we'll go to another important tab is the women travelers. And this basically regards being mindful, public transport, do's and don'ts, which is very important. Transport to and from the airport before you arrive. No hitchhiking, of course. Instead of using a taxi, I would say Uber or Lyft. There's actually something called Bolt. Other countries. Avoid travel in busy sections of train cars, etc., etc. Being aware of your surroundings. Gender-based violence. So on and so forth, which you can read in your own time. The next thing we're going to go to is lodging. This is regarding lodging safety. Choosing a location that's close to transportation and public services. Now, what I found very interesting on this website at the very bottom where it says, travel industry experts recommend asking for a room located above the ground floor, ideally between the 3rd and 6th floors, where rooms are high enough to avoid easy break-ins, but low enough to make it out of the building in case of fire, which is very interesting. And then last but not least, we're going to go to the STEP program, which is the Smart Traveler Enrollment Program. This is whenever you're traveling abroad, you can actually just get updates if there's any issues while you are abroad. And you can also still get advisories if you're staying home, just to know what's going on in different parts of the world. So once you create your account, continue my session, you're going to go to something that's a little link that says add a trip or residence abroad. And once you're enrolling your trip, you'll ask your destination, what country you're going to. Let's say I'll say Barbados, and this is basically the only embassy or consulate that's close to it. And you enter your dates. Purpose of visit, I'll just put vacation whenever I go somewhere. Your phone number, your address. And once you keep going next and next, it'll give you more information to fill out. And then you'll receive an email regarding your alert being updated. Hopefully this helps with your next international travel. Thank you for your time, and have a wonderful rest of your day.